Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to present my midterm project, which is based on cloud-based PE malware detection API implementation. And the given tasks are uh, in task one, we need to build and train a machine learning model uh, that is going to extract PE file headers and will analyze and predict whether it is malware or not. And we are going to use Google Colab for this process. In task two, we'll deploy our model in a AWS. The given the preferred service is AWS SageMaker, but uh, due to some technical issues, I have not deployed the model on a SageMaker. I have deployed it on Amazon EC2. Uh, and I have made a few other improvisations due to some technical issues in this project. That one and the other modification includes like I have combined the task 2 and task 3 and created a web application using Flask server where it is going to take the P file header data itself as an input and going to analyze and will return a probability of that header files malware or not. Yeah, let's check our task one code. In step 4, I'm downloading the data files and I'm mounting my Google Drive. Later, I'm storing all of the data I have downloaded into my Google Drive. I'm installing all the necessary libraries like Ember and Leaf. Using Ember, I'm reading the vectorized features of my downloaded data and its metadata. Later, I'm dropping the invalid records in the data. We got we have a huge set of data since we can't run process everything in Colab due to some limitations we had. We are going to scale down the training data sets to 60,000 records. Later, we are creating a H5 files for our inputs. And this is our model. We are using min-max scaler to uh, reduce the inputs size and load prime them. Later, we are reshaping our data into needed format, like where this input will have 3 channels. Here, we are splitting our input data sets into training data set and other one is going to be a validation data set. Since we don't have any access to the GPU, we are going to process everything on a CPU itself. Um, yeah, with this piece of code, like our data is going, our model will get trained here. In this validation step, the model is get validated and our validation results will be printed here like this and our so for trained model with the weights is saved as a .pt file in Google Colab. Later, we are saving our min-max scalar model since every time it will change with the input. So we are saving to have a constant transformation everywhere. Later, we are using the same, yeah, we are saving the min-max scalar model here. Later, we are going to drop the invalid rows from the test data sets, and we are going to take the first 1,000 rows from the test data set, and we are transforming them using min-max scalar. We are reshaping it since we need to process it into uh, our models format, right? So in this step, we are going to get predictions through our model, like here, and it is going to print our accuracy, precision, and recall. Yeah, we got an accuracy of 49% and precision is 0.48 and recall is 0.87. So for the accuracy is not that good since we can't train it for a long time. It Google Colab is giving us timeout errors. So this is the so far accuracy we achieved in this one, and our prediction results are like this. And these are the original values of it. And here is the confusion matrix of the above result. So far, our model uh, is not has not performed really well, but it can be improved by running it multiple times. It have the scope of improvement in there. Now let's check our task two, where we are going to deploy it on a cloud server, right? I have deployed it in my AWS EC2 instance since I can't have sufficient permissions to deploy it on AWS SageMaker. Um, yeah, let's run our model. I have saved my script as app.py in the server and created a HTML file using the Flask server. I'm doing this process. Let's run our code now. Yeah, our Flask server is started. Now let me go to the server here. Yeah. Uh, since in task three, we need to uh, pass the exe file and we need to extract PE headers due to the version issues. Since it is a legacy code, we are not we are unable to uh, extract the uh, vector results using Ember. So I have taken a example P header format which is transformed already from our test data. Now I'm going to copy this one. Yeah, I'm entering this data into here and I'm clicking on predict. What it is going to do is it will pass this data and our model will analyze it and will send a response with a prediction value, like how much chance it is going to be a malware, and our will decide like if it is the value is above 0.5, it is going to be a malware. If it is less than that, it is not a malware. So yeah, in this case, we don't have a malware from the input. Due to some technical difficulties, I got to implement in this method. Uh, yeah, That's it. Thank you.